Hello everyone. Welcome to Nanuya channel. And today we're talking about one of the most debated lifestyle differences. Are you an early bird or are you a night owl? Is one better than the other? And does science favor waking up with the sunrise or staying up past midnight? Let's break it down. And at the end of the video, there will be some explanations of difficult words or phrase to expand your vocabulary. What defines an early bird and a night owl? So, what does it mean to be an early bird or a night owl? Early birds, or morning people, tend to wake up early, feel most productive in the morning, and often get sleepy earlier in the evening. They love sunrise workouts, quiet mornings, and feel like they've conquered the day before noon. Night owls, on the other hand, thrive in the late hours. They find themselves most alert and creative at night, often staying up well past midnight and struggling with early mornings. These are the people who get a burst of energy when everyone else is winding down. I have a friend, Jake, who is a classic night owl. He's an artist, and his creativity peaks around 1 a.m. He once told me that some of his best paintings were done when the world was asleep, and he could focus without distractions. On the flip side, my cousin Sarah is an early bird. She loves waking up at dawn, hitting the gym, and tackling her work before most people even open their eyes. She swears by the quiet, productive energy of the morning. Their lifestyles are totally different, but both work for them. Interestingly, studies show that our sleep patterns are not just a preference but are biologically ingrained. Factors like age, lifestyle, and even evolutionary history play a role. For example, some scientists believe that having both early risers and night owls in early human communities helped with round-the-clock survival. Adolescents and young adults tend to lean more toward being night owls, while older adults shift toward morning tendencies. The science behind it. Did you know that your sleep preference is actually influenced by your genetics? That's right. It's called your chronotype, and it determines your body's natural inclination to sleep and wake at certain times. Scientists say it's linked to the circadian rhythm, your internal clock that regulates sleep, metabolism, and even mood. Studies show that early birds tend to have a natural spike in cortisol in the morning, giving them that burst of energy. Night owls, meanwhile, produce melatonin later in the evening, which keeps them awake longer. This isn't just preference, it's biology. There's also a neurological component. Brain scans reveal that night owls have different brain connectivity patterns compared to early risers. This can affect attention, memory, and cognitive performance, depending on the time of day. Additionally, research suggests that night owls have higher activity in the default mode network, DMN, a brain system associated with creativity and complex problem solving. Productivity and performance. All right, let's talk productivity. Early birds are often praised for their discipline, getting things done before distractions arise. Research suggests they may be more proactive and better at planning ahead. Benjamin Franklin's famous quote, "Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise," highlights this societal bias towards morning people. But don't count night owls out. Studies also show that night owls can be more creative and have better problem-solving skills, possibly because their brains work differently at night when the world is quieter and less demanding. Some of history's most famous creatives, think of artists, writers, and inventors, were known for working late into the night. A great example of this is Thomas Edison, one of the most well-known inventors of all time. He was a notorious night owl, working late into the night and sleeping very little. In contrast, Apple's Tim Cook is an early riser, waking up at 4 a.m. to start his day. Both men achieved incredible success, proving that different sleep schedules work for different people. However, here's the catch. Our society is structured around early birds. School, work schedules, and most daily routines favor morning people. This can put night owls at a disadvantage, forcing them to adapt to a schedule that isn't ideal for their natural rhythm. Sleep debt and fatigue can be more common among night owls trying to conform to early start times. However, remote work and flexible schedules are helping night owls find more balance in modern times. Health and well-being. Here's where it gets interesting. Some studies suggest early birds have better overall health, possibly due to better sleep habits and aligning with natural daylight. They tend to get better quality sleep, which helps with metabolism, heart health, and mental well-being. Night owls, unfortunately, may struggle with sleep deprivation if they have to wake up early for work or school. Irregular sleep schedules have been linked to a higher risk of health issues like obesity, stress, and even depression. But don't worry, night owls. If you can get enough sleep and create a structured routine, you can still thrive. Moreover, research indicates that night owls may have a higher tendency toward risk-taking behaviors, such as consuming more caffeine, irregular eating patterns, and higher rates of impulsivity. This doesn't mean night owls are doomed. Awareness and intentional habits can mitigate these risks. Interestingly, some studies suggest that night owls have a higher tolerance for stress and may even exhibit more mental resilience in high-pressure situations. Can you change your chronotype? Good question. While your natural sleep preference is somewhat genetic, it's possible to shift your sleep schedule with consistent habits. Early exposure to sunlight, reducing screen time before bed, and setting a strict bedtime routine can help night owls adjust. Likewise, early birds who need to stay up later can gradually extend their evenings. I once tried shifting my sleep schedule from being a night owl to an early bird. It was tough at first. I'd wake up groggy and struggle to function. But after consistently setting my alarm earlier, getting morning sunlight, and avoiding screens at night, I actually started feeling more awake in the mornings. It just goes to show that small changes over time can make a big difference. Sleep researchers recommend making gradual shifts, adjusting your bedtime and wake-up time by 15-minute increments over several days. This helps reset your circadian rhythm without shocking your system. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, is also crucial. Additionally, practices like mindfulness meditation, diet regulation, and strategic use of naps can help people manage energy levels more effectively. The verdict: is one better? So, is being an early bird better than being a night owl? The answer is, it depends. It's all about understanding your body's natural rhythm and working with it rather than against it. If you're an early bird, embrace those productive mornings. If you're a night owl, find ways to optimize your late-night energy while still getting enough rest. The key takeaway? Prioritize sleep quality over sleep timing. A well-rested night owl is far more effective than a sleep-deprived early bird. Listen to your body, structure your schedule around your strengths, and avoid the sleep deprivation trap. Also, be mindful of how lifestyle choices, like caffeine intake, meal timing, and exercise, influence your sleep patterns. All right, that's a wrap on today's episode of Nanuya Podcast. Are you an early bird or a night owl? I'd love to hear from you. Hit me up on social media or drop a comment, and let's keep the conversation going. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a friend. Circadian rhythm refers to the body's internal clock that regulates the sleep-wake cycle, metabolism, and various physiological processes over a 24-hour period. It is influenced by external factors like light and temperature, helping determine when you feel awake or sleepy. Chronotype refers to a person's natural inclination for sleeping and waking times, which is largely determined by genetics. It defines whether someone is naturally an early bird, a night owl, or somewhere in between. Chronotypes are linked to the body's internal circadian rhythm, which regulates energy levels, sleep cycles, and even mood throughout the day. Adolescence refers to young people who are in the transitional stage between childhood and adulthood, typically between the ages of 10 and 19. In this context, it means that teenagers and young adults are more likely to be night owls due to natural changes in their sleep patterns during puberty. Winding down means gradually relaxing or slowing down after being active or busy. In the context of the script, it refers to how most people start to relax and prepare for sleep in the evening, while night owls tend to become more energetic. The word burst in this context means a sudden and intense increase in energy or activity. When someone gets a burst of energy, it means they experience a short, powerful boost in their energy levels, often making them feel more awake, alert, or active for a period of time. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious, stay energized, and get some good sleep.